another beautiful night in Carrion City. And I get to spend it stuffing wieners into buns and regretting my life choices. But I don't regret you, baby. My jank wagon deserves nothing but the best. Once I have you paid off, I can quit this crappy job and leave this city in my dust. I'll be counting the days until then. Better head inside and start my shift. Get your fix at the Quick Fix. This is Hexy. How can I help you? Oh, hey boss. Yeah, sorry for being a few minutes late. I got stuck in traffic. What? Eric didn't bring in the meat delivery? That means it's been sitting out in the rain all day. It's probably rotten by now.
Oh, God.
Are you calling me on the shitter? Again? Disgusting! All right, calm down. I'll grab the meat from the back and make some fresh wieners. Just please stop calling me when you're in the middle of taking a crap. Does this place ever actually fix anything? Oh, jeez. You scared the crap out of me, man. What? Fix? I think you missed the joke, dude. Oh, I love jokes. Especially the ones with the killer punchline. Cool. Great talk. You need something, or... My. I do have an appetite. Buddy, if you're talking about the hot dogs, they aren't ready yet. Come back in like 20 minutes. Oh, the best meals are worth waiting for. Just another night with another creep. I hate this city.
Hey, youngster, let me get a nice long one and make it snappy. Weaver is ready.
I've been waiting all day to get my hands on a wiener.
Weaver is ready. Weaver is ready. Weaver is...
Hello again. Are you the proprietor of this fine establishment? Oh, crap. You again? Proprietor? Dude, I don't know what that means. I just work here. Did you come in to get one of those quick fix wieners, though? Well, I do love a nice piece of flesh. But I'm in the mood for something a little more unique. Well, if you aren't here for a wiener, what do you want? It seems I'm a little low on supplies. Do you happen to carry any staples? Why do you need staples this late at night? Oh, you could say I'm working on a little art project. Hey, whatever, man. None of my business. I think we have some on the back shelf over there by the toilet. Ah, perfect. Thank you. I'll be seeing you again real soon.
Weaver is ready.
I heard you have the biggest wieners around. Let me get one.
Don't tell anyone you saw me here. Give me the thickest one you got.
Weaver is ready. Weaver is...
Hey, Hexy.
Hey, a shrimp queen.
It's comfort food. Don't judge me.
No judgment. Better than these wieners I'm selling. You don't want to know what's in them.
You should see some of the stuff I've scraped off the floor at Gutter's End.
We're both living the dream, eh? You on your break?
One day, we'll get out of this dump. And yeah, I gotta get back soon. How much I owe ya?
Nah, don't worry about it. This one's on me. I'm feeling a little shrimpathetic tonight. Get it?
Oh, you should be arrested for that one. Thanks, Sexy. I'll see you later.
Have a good shift, Blair.
Weaver is ready.
Shit, dude! What the hell is your problem? It seems you're all out of staples. I'm getting pretty sick of your shit. I think you better leave before I make you. Oh, that might be fun. I did see something I liked very much, but is no longer here. I can see this establishment doesn't employ the brightest. But anyways, I'll be on my way. My tattooed friend. Yeah. Thanks for shopping at the Quick Fix. By the way, you might want to check out the restroom. The toilet is quite clogged. Finally, that creep's gone. Better check out the restroom. Great. That weirdo clogged the shitter. Just what I needed. Better. This stupid thing isn't working. Huh? What is that sound?
Break's pretty much over. I'd better head inside and talk to Lucas. Oh, look at that. Lucas fell asleep at the register again. Perfect opportunity.
Jeez, Blair, what the hell?
That's what you get for sleeping on company time.
I wasn't sleeping, I was just resting my eyes.
You were literally snoring. I could hear you from the front door.
Who cares anyway? We haven't had a customer in hours. This place is dead. I don't know how it stays in business.
I think the owner's using it to launder money.
Honestly, wouldn't shock me. Anyway, I'm about to clock out.
Cool. let me nuke this cup of nudies and then you can go pass out somewhere else. I'll come back for this later. All right, Lucas, you can get out of here.
Sweet. Thanks, Blair. There are a few things I didn't get a chance to do.
Oh, what? I can't believe I'm getting roped into doing your jobs. What needs to be done?
We'll call it even for you scaring me. One of the ball feeders is jammed with a ball. Can you get it loose? After that, there are a few balls that need polishing and some shoes that need to be deodorized.
You couldn't even polish the balls? That's like the easiest thing to do here.
Listen, Blair, the only balls I'm polishing tonight are mine.
Wow, Lucas.
Catch you later, Blair.
I'm glad I wasn't standing in front of the feeder. What the? I'd better head behind the counter and polish those balls. Hello there. Welcome to Gutter's End.
Well, hello! What a lovely little establishment this is. With an adorable little creature running it.
Creature? Do you want to purchase Elaine, or am I gonna have to call the police?
I'm here to purchase an experience.
Right. Well, it's $5 a game per lane.
So direct. I like that. Sharp.
Thanks.
Let me ask you a question. Have you ever felt like you're wearing a costume you can't take off?
You mean like my work uniform?
Sure. Let's call it that.
I don't get paid to answer weird questions. Either buy a lane or get out.
Oh, no need to be a bully, darling. I'll take lane 6. Thank you.
Total creep. Time to clean the stinky shoes. That should do it. Where did that weirdo go? He didn't even do any whatever. Now that he's gone, I can go grab my cup of noodies real fast. I'll eat this back at the register. What happened?
Blair, you're awake! You gotta listen to me!
Mr. Shrimp? You're supposed to be in my belly.
We don't have time for this, Blair. He'll be back any second. True story.
What are you talking about, Mr. Shrimp?
Blair, I can see him. You gotta get up.
What a silly dream. I can't even feel my body, Mr. Shrimp.
Oh, you're doomed, Blair. You hear me? Doomed. Look who's awake. Who are you talking to?
Mr. Shrimp, call 911.
Mr. Shrimp! I see you're suffering the side effects from my little serum. Hallucinations and paralysis.
That's why I can't move.
Yes, well, you won't have to worry much longer, my dear. It'll all be over soon.
What do you mean?
I require that beautiful skin of yours, my dear. I can't have you screaming and crying while I strip it from your body. I'm afraid it's the end of the line for you. Oh.
Didn't expect to see you waddling out from behind your desk, O'Brien.
Damn it, Dick.
You can't just plow through every barrier in your way.
Give me time, and I can plow through anything.
That's coming out of your paycheck.
What's the situation?
We haven't been able to locate any body yet. Get in there and show Robbie the ropes.
Sure thing, Chief.
Scene secure, Slater.
Good. Do we have any witnesses?
Only one. He's inside with Roxy, but he's not being very cooperative.
We'll see about that.
You always enter a crime scene like that?
Only when I'm feeling polite.
You think this is the Stapler's work?
I don't think anymore, kid. I know. Who's this punk?
He's the one who called us in. Came to check on his friend Blair. She works here.
Wait, what's that smell?
Don't ask.
Seriously, oh god, is that?
You done redecorating the floor, kid? We've got work to do.
I don't mind the smell. Actually, I kinda like it.
Wait, aren't you Dick Slater? I'm not talking to this maniac.
You saw something. Start talking.
I ain't saying sh. No, no. Oh!
Wrong answer!
Keep hounding him, Dick. I'm learning things about myself.
Quiet, Roxy. Robbie, show this scumbag the police sketch.
Right. Okay. Hey, look at this. You seen this guy before?
Start talking.
Oh, all right. Just stop hitting me, man. Oh, yeah. He was at the Quick Fix. Came in looking for staples or whatever. He was acting strange. I'm pretty sure that freak rigged the toilet. Ugh, that's why I'm covered in shit. Oh, wait. I remember him staring at Blair when she came in. You think she's okay, man?
That's enough. Roxy, take this punk downtown and book him. Obstruction.
You got it, Slater. Don't worry, sweetie. We'll get you cleaned up one way or another.
You've gotta be kidding me. Don't leave me alone with her.
What's going on here?
The office door isn't locked, but I can't seem to get it open. Should I call in a sledge from the station?
No. Time for you to get your hands dirty, kid. Climb in those vents right there and see if they lead to the office.
All right, I'll try.
one piece? Good. What did you find?
Another bloodbath. Body of a young female, completely skinned and decapitated. I assume it's the body of the employee, Blair.
Nice work, kid. Let's keep looking around and see what we can find.
There's a busted tape inside. Label says, "Come."
Yeah, we got a real poet on our hands.
Think it's a message?
Everything this sick bastard leaves is a message.
So, it's bait then.
Definitely. I have a feeling this isn't the last tape we'll find.